In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with your Jotform, allowing you to easily handle payments directly through your forms. This is an effective way to streamline your business operations and provide a seamless experience for your customers. Let's get started by opening up the form you want to use. First, you'll need to add a payment option. It's a simple process. Look for the Add Form Element button. You'll usually find this on the left side of your Jotform builder screen. Give that a click, and you will see various elements you can integrate into your form. We're interested in the payments section today, so go ahead and select that. Once you've navigated to the payment options, you'll want to choose Square from the list of available payment integrations. This selection will allow transactions via Square to be processed directly through your form, making it super convenient for both you and your users. After you've added Square as a payment element to your form, the next step is to connect your Square account. To do this, locate the Square field within your form. You should be able to see it as a new section in the form builder. Click on it to reveal the Connect with Square button. This button will prompt you to log into your Square account, so be sure to have your login details handy. When you click Connect with Square, it will guide you to your Square login page. Enter your credentials, and once you've successfully signed in, it will ask for your permission to integrate with Jotform. Go ahead and accept these permissions, allowing the two platforms to communicate and share essential data for processing payments. Now that your account is connected, it's time to set up the payment details. First, choose the currency that you want to work with. This decision depends on what currency makes the most sense for your business and your customers. Selecting the right currency is crucial, as it impacts how your customers perceive pricing and ensures transparent transactions. Next, you'll add the price of the product or service you're offering. This field is important because it tells customers exactly how much they need to pay when they fill out your form. If you have multiple products or services with varying prices, make sure to specify each one clearly. You'll find it helpful to offer quantity options if applicable, particularly if your customers often purchase more than one of the same item. Enable the quantity option to give your customers flexibility and better control over their purchase decisions. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated Square into your Jotform, set up your payment details, and are ready to start collecting payments. This integration offers a streamlined and user-friendly way of handling transactions, ultimately enhancing your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.